Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the competitive e-bike market, offering an impressive blend of performance, style, and versatility. With a powerful 1800W peak motor, this bike delivers exhilarating speeds and remarkable acceleration, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is exhilarating and gives riders the confidence to tackle varied terrains. One of the standout features of the M1 Pro is its robust construction. The frame is built from high-strength aluminum alloy, ensuring durability without compromising weight. This lightweight design enhances maneuverability, making it easier to handle in tight spots or during challenging rides. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, adding to the overall comfort during bumpy rides, while the rear suspension contributes to a smooth overall experience. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, the Aipas M1 Pro boasts an impressive range. Riders can expect up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like terrain and rider weight. The battery can be easily removed for convenient charging, which is a thoughtful design aspect for those who may not have access to charging facilities at home. The bike also features a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assistance mode. This allows riders to keep track of their performance and optimize their ride experience. Additionally, the bike comes with excellent safety features, including bright LED lights for visibility and responsive disc brakes for quick stops. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike offers exceptional value for its price. It is well suited for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish mode of transportation that combines power with comfort. Whether you're commuting to work, navigating city streets, or exploring nature trails, the Aipas M1 Pro is a worthy investment that enhances the joy of cycling.